Hey YouTube, so it's another motherfucking rainy day. So it looks like I'm gonna do the install of the new Akrapovic exhaust during the motherfucking rain, because I wanna see how it sounds. First of all, you're gonna need an Allen wrench. You need to get this heat shield off first. Okay. Don't forget to place the original parts separately from the other ones. Under here you have another clamp you gotta get loose so that you can get the shield off. I think it's a number 10. So loosen this bit and be careful not to cut yourself, because this edge of the heat shield is very fucking sharp. Okay, well that's loose. And now I think you gotta push it down. Gotta push it down a little bit. Yeah. Then after this part comes off of the holding bracket, now I think I'm gonna unscrew this tightening bolt. Okay, so this is loose now, and now for this part, number 14. Okay, just remember to counterblock the nut behind it. I got lucky and it's unscrewed, but you have to use another key on the other side. So untighten this bolt and nut and carefully place it down. And now take this off, and there you have it. The stock exhaust is now ready to be removed. Carefully wiggle it and it should come right out. Yeah, so that's the stock exhaust and the straight pipe. So you have to take this hook clamp and place it onto the exhaust and leave this for now. Okay, so you have to use a little bit of paste. I use this Akrapovic that came with it, anti-seize paste, as you can see, and place this around 60 millimeters from the edge. Now I'm gonna use the paste on this part and place everything together. Okay, so I used a little bit of paste on this part also, and now we're gonna attach it to the exhaust. Okay, now let's place the exhaust. Okay, so something like that. I'm gonna tighten these later. Okay, so I carefully slide it in the holder. Now we're gonna attach the bolts. So now we're gonna tighten this bolt back that we got out. Well, not fully tighten it. Okay, so we have the Akrapovic bolt, the Akrapovic washer, the holder, the Akrapovic distance bush, and as you can see here, all there's left to do is just push the bolt in, and on the other side put the Akrapovic washer and stock bolt. Okay, so you kind of have to tighten everything together and get that spring tightened. Don't forget to gather everything you dismantled before. Don't lose any of the parts. Okay, so this is how everything kind of looks like after you tighten all the bolts and parts. See how it sounds. Ooh. Well, with the noise killer on, kind of sounds almost the same as the stock exhaust. Ooh, sounds nice. Gotta take that noise killer off and see how that sounds. Anyway, this sounds much better than the stock exhaust. Well, that sounded like a baby compared to this. Okay, YouTube, so I removed the noise killer from here. I unscrewed the little screw and pulled it out with some pliers. Had to force it out, and let's give it a go and see how it sounds now. Okay, so much deeper sound without the noise killer. I think I'm gonna go like this. Woohoo! Whoa, hear that engine. Yeah, let's go for a ride. Now this sounds nice. Ooh. Would you listen to that sound? Yeah! Let's give it a go. Well, that's how the Akrapovic exhaust sounds at full rev. Well, that sounds nice. It has, even the engine sounds different, man. It has some bloop 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 to it. Well, at least now I don't have to rev it up to 10,000 RPMs to get that nice deep sound, that racing engine sound. Ooh, looks like the sun decided to show up after all. Yeah. Well, I'm liking this idle noise it makes. Rider experience improvement. Damn, this motherfucker's loud. Ooh, would you listen to that popping noise? I gotta check this at night, see if any backfire shoots all the exhaust. Well, I'm curious how it sounds from a distance. So yeah, YouTube, it's been a time since I've ridden. I've been waiting for the slip-on for some time and wanted to make a more special episode for you with the unboxing, installing and riding this bitch. Listen to that sound, yeah. Well, I searched yesterday for a number 8 wrench. Motherfucking tools. Could have used one. So I searched and finally I went out and bought one, because no one seemed to have one. Motherfucking screw. It was soldered to the exhaust from the factory, and you couldn't get it out that easy, so I had to carefully take it out from the noise killer, because it was soldered to the exhaust, and it was pretty hard getting it out, because you needed a good wrench, which I searched for yesterday all motherfucking day, because no one seemed to have one. So I went out finally at the end of the day and bought the motherfucking one. This motherfucker's loud. Yeah. So yeah, man, this is how the bitch sounds on the Ninja 300, the Akrapovic Exhaust. So yeah, YouTube, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And yeah, so peace out, YouTube. See you later. Yeah.